Hey, I'm Rebecca Gordon with Randy Pearson, and welcome back to this week's edition of Selling Life and Annuities.
Hey, and this week we've got Paul Bechtold with us, and he's going to be talking about our most successful program, Your Family Bank.
Stay tuned. Okay, so Randy, you guys had made a comment a while ago that Your Family Bank was the fastest growing, most successful life insurance system that we've ever had.
Absolutely. You know,
Why?
Rebecca, I've been in the life insurance industry for 30 years as an agent, as a trainer, recruiter, wholesaler, marketer with Gordon Marketing. And in my experience, I've never had a program that I've rolled out to agents that has been so well received, so impactful, but most importantly, has helped agents sell more life insurance than Your Family Bank. I don't know, Paul, what do you think? Why do you think Your Family Bank is so effective?
Well, I would say it boils down to really three or four things. One is we have the largest market out there available, those with debt, right? So most Americans have debt. A lot of business owners have debt. The second thing is we've got a great story to tell. We have a positive outcome to our story every time, which is helping people get out of debt. I've never done a case that I didn't put somebody in a better position, okay? But the third thing, and probably most important to Gordon Marketing, is we give agents a track to run on. We give them a system, right? And it's a paint-by-number system. All they have to do is get with us. We get them hooked up to the platform, and we show them how to navigate the system, and then it just leads to their clients being out of debt.
So walk me through the system. What is the system? If somebody was interested in, this is a perfect time being in January, you might be looking at your income and saying, okay, I want to grow. What line do I want to grow? And someone might think, well, heck, this makes a lot of sense to me. I might have a big senior block, or I just know a lot of folks who do have debt issues. I want to jump in. Hit us up in the comments so we can get you signed up to our next training classes. But what is the system? What else would someone do?
Yeah, the beauty of the program is that whether you're a tenured or experienced agent with a clientele or you're new in the business, the dialogue that you have with somebody is really easy. It's just, hey, if I can help you identify a way to get out of debt in 9 years or less, would we have a basis to talk and explore? And the great thing is it's turnkey. I always like to use the terminology that it's turnkey. We can provide scripts, the tools, the software necessary to create the analysis, and it all eventually leads to the sale of, Paul?
A participating dividend-paying whole life insurance contract, which is the vehicle we need based off of the one element that's necessary, which is guarantees. So that's why IULs and other tools don't work. But participating whole life insurance pays dividend every year, has 4% guarantee at this time, almost every carrier that we use. And that predictably shows people exactly when they're going to be out of debt. So the analogy I like to use is this. If I told you that you could take this pill every day for 20 days and to lose weight, and you can lose 20 pounds predictably, would that make it easier for you? Because why? I've identified the amount of time that it's going to take to do it, and I can know predictably based on guarantees.
An outcome, an absolute victory.
Yes.
Yeah. Where is that pill, Paul? Where is that pill?
And
I lost mine.
And how many things can you go out and sell in the insurance industry that provide those kind of guarantees, where you could say to somebody, that Visa card that you've had a balance on for the last 10 years and have never been able to pay off? Well, we can show you a way to get that paid off in 9 months on a guaranteed basis. I mean, that's powerful. That's super powerful.
What carriers do you use right now with this program?
We have two carriers. We have Lafayette Life and we have Mutual Trust Life. One of the questions I get a lot is, well, which one's better? Well, it depends on the situation. But we know that if I run them side by side, they're almost identical in terms of the debt elimination period. So minimal differences, maybe some underwriting differences, product, a couple of features, but
if we
almost
have
identical.
People watching right now and they might think, oh, I already have a contract with blankety blank or blankety blank. As a salesperson and a marketer, I'm always wondering, how would I get them to team up with us?
Well, the first thing is usually I'll ask, how much business have you written with that carrier? And a lot of times that's none. And I say, does it make sense if you move that contract over to us?
So is it easy just to team up with us?
Absolutely,
okay,
yes.
That's all I wanted. So
contracting is super easy.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. That's good.
And the beauty of this program too is that so oftentimes I speak to agents out in the field, and in today's world, They feel alone. They work out of a third bedroom in their home. They're not associating with a lot of other agents or organizations that are providing them with impactful tools and techniques to sell more. And we've got Paul Bechtold. He's the manager of this program and a fantastic mentor, coach, and trainer. His job is to help agents succeed in this program, and he lives it, breathes it. He's a 24-hour, 7 days a week kind of guy. Yeah.
Absolutely. And what I try to offer to the agents before we even get started is, if you want to see how this works for you, if you want to see if this is a good fit for you and your business, and I haven't seen any part of the insurance business that isn't a good fit for, let me send you a fact finder, find a client, let me do a case for you, and I'll walk it through at A to Z with you before you even dip your toe in the water.
Oh, that's
So
nice.
we can help make people very seamlessly successful with this program, send them down to the 2-day boot camp in Florida to get certified, and they can come back hitting the road. So kind of circling back to the original part, we give them the track to run on, but we help them get started on that track, and we help them push around that track until they're very comfortable with the process.
All right. So there you have it, folks. Make this your best year yet, most successful year. We've got a fantastic new system that we'd love to roll out to you. So if you want more information on Your Family Bank, please put it in the comments, and Randy or Paul will reach out with you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.